This thing here. Hi guys. So today we're going to do an at-home facial. I suffer from hormonal acne and I've had it since I was even younger. Then you'll get dark spots. See here. These are my bad spots. And then along my chin line, majority. Sometimes I'll get like a few that are on my forehead here. But I don't really know what caused that. I think something was rubbing against my face or something. I don't know. It must have something dirty, but I don't typically get those. It's generally my cheek. So today I'm going to be doing I guess a review on Urban Skin. I've been using one of their products for at least a month now. I just picked up another one to see how that further improves my skin. Also, I'm thinking to do at-home dermaplaning to see how that works with like exfoliation and hair removal. I'm a hairy person. I'm gonna be honest. I don't like it. It got to go. It's everywhere. I'll be back. Give me a second. This is the one that I've been using the most. It's the Urban Skin Even Tone Cleansing Bar. A little skeptical buying something like this because, you know, everybody just sells stuff and they feel like it's supposed to help with dark spots. But this legitimately works. I saw it in Target. I happened to walk past it and it was on sale, so of course I just picked it up. I like trying stuff that's on sale. It's like, hey, why not? This really works. So this is help with my dark spots. However, they have like 3 different kinds of cleansing bars. The soap and the inside. This is getting low. I'm starting to see the bottom. Didn't even notice that. Been using this. This has been like an everyday thing for me. Sometimes twice a day. Pretty sure I don't need to do it twice a day because this is let me just start over. So when I first started using it, it was very strong and it felt that it was extremely drying to my skin. However, I was just like, let me give it a try. I just made sure I put on a moisturizer after I used it so that my skin wouldn't be like so super dry and peely, because when I use something like this, my skin will peel up like that. I don't typically have like dry skin. I'm normally on the oily side, but I do have dry patches. So I got like a bunch of stuff going on. However, this thing here, it was worth them. My complexion is like 10 times better. I had to find a clip or a picture of what I looked like before. Yeah. And I must say, like, my skin had become a little bit glowy. So I'll probably be using this one and the next one that I'm going to show you. So the next one is the Urban Skin cleansing bar for clear skin. So I bought this one because I am still prone to breakouts. And you can try to control it as much as you can. So now we're just going to see what does this one do. Reason being is this one helps with my tone, and this is so far seeming to work. So I'm gonna use this one to help with my breakout, or try to prevent, and you may not have to use this as much. Okay, see where I'm going with this? However, we're gonna try it. It's in the same little packaging with the sponges in it. I don't know what color this one is, so I'll open it up and show you in a second. But I will be using, I'm thinking, since this one's already open and I've been using this on a regular basis, I think I want to use this, the even tone one first, and then the clear skin cleansing bar. Right now, for me, it may not matter because honestly, that's what I've been using, just this one. So that's why I'm just gonna go with this one and then come back with the clear skin. Okay. We'll see if I change that up in the end or like move it on. But this is just my first time using it, so this is what we're gonna rock with. After I get my skin all cleansed up and free of dirt and clean and glowy, I'm gonna come back and do dermaplaning. Or at-home dermaplaning. Basically, shave your face. Okay. So I bought all my stuff, and I have my tools here. This isn't the particular one that I would have bought. However, this is what was at Target. That I also bought a new moisturizer. It is a Target brand. However, honestly, it's fine. Y'all know it works. Save some coins. I'm not spending all my money on face stuff. You trying stuff out. I mean, sunscreen in it, which is crucial. And it is now May. So it's time to get something with more protection as the sun's coming out and being outside and stuff like that. That's one thing I know that my other moisturizer does not have. So I may potentially switch this up and still actively use both, because if I like this one will be the one that I use during the day, and then I'll use the other one at night because I'm at home. So no need for all that sun. Okay, face all clear. Got all the soap off. I like to look at my face in between this because you actually see more of your blemishes as you continue to cleanse your face. See, like I have a blemish here. Didn't even notice that, or it looks just a tad bit more red now. But overall, this has like a tingly sensation here. It's supposed to be a 3-in-1 mask, so 3 different acids. Okay. But it does definitely have like a tingling face. This for some reason reminds me of black soap, because when I've used black soap and it has a similar drying effect, and I used that. However, I didn't have great results. My face was extremely dry, so it was helping with like my oiliness, but I felt like whatever was in the particular black soap that I used, and I did purchase like the authentic black soap, you know, not that Shea Moisture stuff that they sell in the store, because that is not black soap. But I used authentic black soap, and it's really rough consistency, like when you're looking at it, but something you can see like the different textures and stuff, all the different components in it. Something about that must have irritated my skin, because I seem to break out a tad bit more frequently while I was using that. I wasn't using other stuff at the time, so I'm pretty sure it was a soap. I still use it to this day, like just in like spot cases. I just can't use it for a long period of time. I have noticed for my skin that I cannot use the same product like for a long length of time. I have to switch it up, which is why I purchased this. Your skin gets used to, or at least my skin, I'm gonna speak for myself. Your skin gets used to whatever product you're using. So what was once effective at one point is no longer effective. However, the good thing about it, when you stop using it, you can come back to it. It works. If you start seeing those problems again, it works. So just opened up the clear skin, and this one is a cream. I'm back. My face. So you see how, like, I guess with the combination of the two, got like some redness here, this area. Those spots are legitimately tingly, I must say. So, but I do feel like some beauty is pain. But if this irritates me any further, we'll just see how it works. I think it's just a combination of the two. Like I said, I may not use both back to back. I may use one at night, one in the morning, or one on one day and one the other. You know. So I'm just gonna pat my face dry. Okay, look at that glow. Nice. Okay, so that was the 2 cleansing bars. Overall, I really like it. It felt nice. I just don't like the smell, but hey, I can live with that. Okay, so I'll be back in a second, so we can do dermaplaning. Okay. All right, so I'm back. I stepped away to take some pictures in like natural light, and I must say my complexion looks so much lighter already, and just an overall glowy, dewy, fresh look. I'm pretty pleased right now. But let's get into the next part. So I'm not going to shave my face just dry, because that could be irritating. So I am going to use some aloe vera gel and put that all across my face, just because that's what I have. I don't want to use moisturizer, so I'm going to use this. Should have a good enough slip. I also don't want to put shaving okay, so now that I've done all of that, my skin is extremely smooth now that we've removed all of those hairs. That is crazy. So I am just going to rinse my face off because of the gel feeling. Like, I could feel it. I just want to rinse my face. And then I'll put on my moisturizer for the day. Okay. Look. I'm pleased. Of course, I'm gonna take some pictures in the sun so you can see. I'm very pleased. You can see a difference here, like what?
Cute. Okay, bye. So guys, don't forget, comment, like, subscribe.